Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x and y. Solution: square root of 3 in power square root of x minus square root of 2 power square root of y equal to 17. Now we can write the square root of 3 as 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole power square root of x minus 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole power square root of y equal to 17. Therefore, we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. We are multiplying this and this. So, 3 to the power of square root of x by 2 minus 2 to the power of square root of y by 2 equal to 17. Let's consider square root of x by 2 equal to m. Same way, square root of y by 2 equal to n. 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n equal to 17. This can be written as 3 to the power of m whole power 1 minus 2 to the power of n whole power 1 equal to 17. 1 can be written as 1 equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. We are applying this here. So 3 to the power of m whole power 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2 to the power of n whole power 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 17. Therefore, a to the power of m power n equal to a to the power of m into n. We are applying this here and here. 3 to the power of m by 2 whole power 2 minus 2 to the power of n by 2 whole power 2 equal to 17. Let us consider 3 to the power of m by 2 equal to a, 2 to the power of n by 2 equal to b. Applying this in this equation, a square minus b square equal to 17. Therefore, we know the formula that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are going to apply this here. A plus b times of a minus b equal to 17. 17 can be written as 17 into 1, 1 into 17. If you see this equation, a plus b is greater than a minus b. So, we are going to consider this a plus b times of a minus b equal to 17 can be written as this factor. So, 17 into 1. A plus b equal to 17 is one equation. Same way, a minus b equal to 1 equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. A plus b equal to 17. A minus b equal to 1. Now, adding these equations, 2a, this get cancel each other. So, equal to 18. Divide by 2 on both sides. So, 2a by 2 equal to 18 by 2. This 2 cancels this. So a equal to 18 by 2 is 9. So a equal to 9. Apply a in equation 1. A plus equal to 17 is the equation 1. A equal to 9 plus b equal to 17. So b equal to 17 minus 9. So b equal to 8. Recall 3 to the power of m by 2 equal to a, comma 2 to the power of n by 2 equal to b. 3 to the power of m by 2 equal to 9. Same here, 2 to the power of n by 2 equal to 8. Here 3 to the power of m by 2 equal to this 9 can be written as 3 square. So the base is cancel each other. So m by 2 equal to 2. So here m equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. 2 to the power of n by 2 equal to 2 power 3. Base cancel each other. So n by 2 equal to 3. Now n equal to 3 into 2. So n equal to 6. We got m. m is 4, n is 6. Now recall square root of x by 2 equal to m. Same way, square root of y by 2 equal to n. Square root of x by 2 equal to 4. Same way, square root of y by 2 equal to 6. Here, square root of x equal to 4 times of 2. Take a square on both sides. So, square root of x square equal to 8 square. This cancels this. So, x equal to 8 square is 64. Square root of y equal to 6 times of 2. So, square root of y whole square equal to 12. This cancels this. So, we have y equal to 12 square. So, y is 144. X equal to 64. Y equal to 144. This is the solution.